What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you the Executive Lounge key on the brand new airport map. This is listed as the Executive Lounge in the control tower where some supplies are stored, and what you need to do is navigate towards the center of the map, enter through the medical or military zone, and inside of the actual control tower, make your way up the stairs in the center onto the second floor, where inside of the lounge wing over here, this room at the very top is the one that we can unlock and head into. Now, once you use the key to gain access to this room here, you'll notice immediately to your left a office drawer which usually has some pretty high value loot inside of it. As you can see here, as I wasn't the first person getting to this room, the loot could be a little bit better. However, it seems like they've still left me quite a bit behind. The second drawer, for example, not bad. And finally, the third drawer at the top, that's what I got from this one. Then, in the back left, we've got an electronic safe here. Unfortunately, I'll never know what came out of it. However, there's still some goop left behind. And not to mention, on the far right, besides some loose loot that can spawn, usually not too valuable, we've also got a suitcase in the corner, which can sometimes have some pretty valuable things inside of it. Ultimately, this key is going to be a high danger, high reward key, and if you've got it, it's definitely worthwhile visiting this room, as things can be super lucky, especially in that safe. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.